In this video, I'll show you exactly how to integrate Process.st with Zapier to automate your workflows and save time on repetitive tasks. If you're new to either of these tools, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how to seamlessly connect your process management and automation needs with ease. Plus, I've got an exclusive offer for you to try this out for free, so stay tuned. Process.st is a powerful tool that lets you create workflows and standard operating procedures, allowing you to keep your business processes organized and streamlined. But what if you could connect Process.st to all the other apps you're already using, making your workflows even more efficient? That's where Zapier comes in. Zapier is an automation tool that connects your favorite apps together and automates tasks between them. With Process.st and Zapier integrated, you can create zaps, automated workflows, that will trigger actions in your apps based on events in Process.st. Imagine automatically adding tasks to your CRM, sending follow-up emails, or even creating support tickets just by completing steps in your Process.st workflows. Let's get into how to set this up, step by step. First, head to Zapier's website and create an account if you don't already have one. Then, log into Process.st and create a new workflow or use an existing one. Once you're ready, go to Zapier, click Make a Zap, and choose Process.st as the trigger app. This is where you'll define what will start your zap. For example, you can trigger your automation whenever a task is marked as complete or when a new workflow is started. The possibilities are endless. Next, choose an action that you want to automate in another app. This could be anything from creating a new Google Sheet row, sending a Slack message, or creating a new task in Trello. Once you've set up the action, you'll be asked to connect your Process.st and the other app's accounts to Zapier. Just follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate each service. Once everything's connected, test the zap to make sure it's working as expected. Zapier allows you to test the trigger and the action so you can make sure data flows properly. If everything looks good, hit Turn on Zap and your integration is live. Now, you're all set. Every time the trigger event happens in Process.st, your chosen action will automatically run in the other app. This will save you tons of time and reduce manual tasks, letting you focus on the more important parts of your business. Before I wrap up, remember, you can try Process.st and Zapier integrations for free with the link below, and I've even got exclusive bonuses for you if you sign up today. Don't miss out on the chance to automate your workflows for free without any commitments. To sum it up, integrating Process.st with Zapier gives you the power to automate processes across apps, boost productivity, and take the stress out of manual tasks. Be sure to click the link below to access your exclusive extended free trial and start automating today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.